All right, today we're looking at a certified 2017 Honda Odyssey EXL. It's got 14,000 miles on it. All right, it's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It was purchased brand new here at McKenney, Salinas Honda. All right, it's a clean Carfax, just one owner. All right, smoky topaz, metallic in color. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. All right, got the nice chrome trim around the windows, chrome inserts on the door handles with your lock unlock button here. Driver's side of the vehicle is in fantastic shape. It is equipped with a rear backup camera. Everything looks good back here on the rear of the vehicle. Make our way down the passenger side. Alright, it does have the blind spot monitoring camera, and we'll show you that in just a second. But exterior of this van is in fantastic shape. It's a certified 2017. Alright, it was purchased new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. Alright, it's a clean Carfax, one owner, certified. Only 14,000 miles. This thing's in fantastic shape. All right, got the truffle and black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All right, it's got your rear power sliding doors, rear power lift gate, your lane departure warning, and then it's got your blind spot monitoring camera there button. We'll show you that in just a second. Got the nice thick rubber floor mats. All right, truffle leather. Driver seat's in great shape. It's a power driver seat. Comes with two keyless entry key fobs. Okay, got the nice center armrest right here, cup holders everywhere. All right, passenger seat leather is in fantastic shape. Pan out just a little bit. It is equipped with sunroof. Okay, it does have a push button start. It's going to have your radio display right here, dual climate controls, heated seats. Going to have your backup camera and your blind spot monitoring camera right here. We'll show you that in just a little bit. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 14,858 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and show you these display screens here. Got your radio display there. Once again, got your dual climate controls, heated seats here, and then it's going to have your audio display right here. You can push this button here, it's the audio source. It's going to have all the different options you can use: Pandora, Bluetooth, XM, AM, FM, CD. Got your USB and iPod connections there. We come on down a little bit. You got another USB port here, power outlet here, auxiliary here, okay, and then some storage right there. Let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. Dim that down just a little bit for you. As you can see, it's got the guidelines on there as well, okay, and then your blind spot monitoring camera, and it's going to give you a visual display of your blind spot. You can either activate it by that button I showed you left of the steering wheel, or you can use the turn signals. Okay. All right, AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Let's go ahead and step out. We'll look in the back seat. All right, and got those power rear sliding doors, so all you have to do is just hit these buttons here, and that's going to automatically open up these side doors for you. Second row's got the nice thick rubber floor mat. All right, got the bench style second row seats, truffle leather. Everything's in great shape. No issues at all back here. All right, go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout here. All right, go ahead and give you a shot of the third row back here. I know it's just a little bit dark, but the third row seats look like they've never even had anybody sitting in them. They're in such good condition. The interior, for that matter, all the interior is that way. Everything looks so good. Third row does have the rubber floor mats back there as well. All right, like I mentioned earlier, it's got the power lift gate. Simply press this button under here. Nice and smooth coming up. All right, even the back here's got the protector mat back here. Okay, plenty of room back here. And this third row seat will fold down and down into this, so it really opens it up back here. And then you simply just press this button here. Nice and smooth coming down. All right. Let's see if I can give you another shot back here of this third row. There, that's a little better. As you can see, the leather is phenomenal. No issues at all back here. All right. Let's check out the wheels and tires. We've got 17-inch alloys. All right. Alloys are in great shape. Tires are still good. Plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2017 certified, 14,000 miles, clean Carfax, just one owner. It was purchased brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. All right, this thing's in pristine condition inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.